to download OTK 4.4 version with SSTR file and database file along with it. First, you need to log into this website support.broadcom.com. Then you need to go to this My Downloads. Then you need to click API Gateway. After this, you need to select API Gateway Enterprise Multi-Platform version 10.1. Then you need to select OTK, search for OTK from here. As you could see, OTK 4.4 installer, solution kit and database scripts. I'm clicking here HTTPS download. It would start all of this package into a zip file and the download would start. It would take a couple of minutes to start the downloads. The download is successful. As you can see, DB scripts are here and SSTR file is downloaded here. It's 4.4 version. With this, we have successfully downloaded OAuth Solution Kit 4.4. Thanks for watching the video.